Stop clicking, start commanding. What if your browser could read, research, and automate complex online tasks for you, instantly turning 10 hours of work into just 10 minutes? This is the groundbreaking power of the Comet AI browser, developed by Perplexity. It's not just a browser. It's a revolution in AI, designed to eliminate manual and repetitive online work once and for all. Get ready to multiply your productivity the moment you launch it. In this video, I'll show you how to install the Comet browser and explore some of its key features. So, let's get started. So, first of all, open your browser and go to perplexity.ai/comet. Here you will find the Download Comet button. Click on it. As soon as you click, the Comet browser will start downloading, so you must download it. After downloading, go to the Downloads folder, then right-click on the setup and run it as administrator. Now the Comet installation window will open in front of you. Here you will see the Start Install button. Click on it. As soon as you click, the Comet browser will start downloading, and after that, it will also install. Here, it is very important for your PC to be connected to the internet. And how much time the download will take depends on your internet connection, so you have to wait for a while. After the installation is complete, you will see the Launch Comet button here. Click on it. After this, the Get Started button will come. Click on it. After that, it will give you the option that if you want to import your data from Chrome or any other browser here, you can easily do it. If you want to import the data of any email, select your email above and click on the Import button. After that, enter the name of your profile here, and then select a logo. After that, select its color theme and click on Continue. After this, the One Last Step window will come in front of you. Here, first of all, you will see Make Comet your default. If you want to make Comet your default browser, keep the first option checked. After that, if you want to keep it in your taskbar, also check the second option. After that, if you want Comet to start automatically when your PC starts, keep this checked as well. And after that, help us improve the product. You can check or uncheck this according to your wish. After that, simply click on Start Comet. Now your Comet browser will open. Now here, first of all, it will tell you to sign in to unlock the full power of Comet. So you have to sign in with your Google, Apple, or email. After signing in, a tutorial will come up in front of you, so close it. Now I will show you some of its features. As you can see, I went to Google News, and here I clicked on the Assistant button above. So you can see that its assistant has opened here, and here it is also giving some options. So you can use these options or also write your own prompt here. So, for now, I wanted to create a summary of this page, so I clicked on Make a Summary. And you can see that it created and gave me the summary in just a few seconds. If you want to understand any topic or want to get some information, you can get it directly from it. Besides this, if you have received many emails that you have to reply to, but you do not have time, and you want the AI to prepare their replies, then if you do this work with ChatGPT or any other AI, it will take a lot of time. But in Comet, you can do this very easily too. For this, simply open a new tab, and here you will see a Perplexity chat box. So you can see that I have written a prompt here. Check the email to see if any new mail has arrived, and if it has, reply to it. So when you give it this prompt, it will check your email, and if any mail needs a reply, it will prepare it itself. And a box will appear in front of you, which will contain the mail's title and mail, which you can also change if you want, and then you can send it. This way, a lot of your time will be saved. Apart from this, the Comet browser also has many other features that you can explore. So, if you liked this video, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and be sure to tell in the comments how you liked this Comet AI browser.